What's good, my people? Welcome back to the channel, a place where I talk to a camera about a pair of sneakers and hope that people watch. But yeah, you're back and you're watching a pair of ASICS or ASICS review. As you can tell by the box, as you can tell by the title, unless the video was on autoplay, then you might be a bit confused. So what I've got here is a pair of Gel Kayano 12.1s. Style code is 1203A759.105. Colorway on this is cream/carbon. That might have you thinking, And the size on this pair is UK 10. If you want to read the other sizes, etc., just pause and read. And this pair is made in Vietnam. Shout out Vietnam, man. I really want to visit. Let's get straight into this pair. So this is the cream/carbon pair of Gel Kayano 12.1s. Since I've seen the 12.1s, I thought, yeah, need to add them to my collection. I have to cop. There was loads of colorways which I liked. If I'm honest, this was my second pick. And the reason I say that is because my first pick was the burgundy colorway, which I wanted, burgundy and cream. So instead of all the green bits here, it was burgundy. However, this pair I got as well, and I'm absolutely not mad at in any way, shape or form, because I really do like the way this shoe goes, like the colors. But yeah, let's go straight to the bottom. So it's got the standard 12.1 Gel Kayano sole, grey and white all over, and then just plastic in the middle, which is also grey. Midsole, we've got grey, green, white, a few different colors there, which I really like. I like how the way it mixes. As we know about the ASICS, they love the use of mesh. As you can see, the whole shoe is mesh. However, there's quite a few different overlays in this kind of like in plastic, in leather, or like fake leather. I'm not sure if it's 100% genuine. No, that's definitely not genuine. That could be, don't know. But yeah, so we've got the whole mesh upper on this pair. We'll start off by this bit, which just says ASICS. It's got like a logo stamped on, or like heat sealed on, which I really like. I think it's a nice little touch. And then the rest of the upper, it's got like silver, green, beige. It shouldn't work, but it really does. And then this bit says Gel Kayano 12.1. I really hope I'm saying that right, because I've been saying Kayano. I don't know how else you'd say it, but I hope I'm saying it right. Then we've got the good old ASICS logo in a few different colors. We've got that beige, we've got some silver, we've got some grey, and we've got some of that green. It's like a forest green. And then obviously behind it, we've got the mesh. Around the front, we've got lots of different colors as well. So we've got the silver and the beige, and then the toe box has got that silver, grey and green. Toe box itself, mesh all across. And then on the inside, basically mirroring the other side, same sort of thing. Mesh with the overlays of the green, grey, beige, and little hints of silver. And on the back, same thing, silver and green with the mesh. And then on the back, we've got the ASICS logo at the top. We've got some mesh, and then like a little overlay in silver. So the silver definitely shouldn't work. I don't know how it does, I'll be honest. Shout out the design team at ASICS. Tongue, we've got the mesh again. A lot of mesh on this shoe. Obviously it's a run, it's a mesh shoe. I bought them for the summer. And then we've got a little loop that's made out of cotton. And then we've got this bit, which I really, really like. The detail on the tongue. And it's like a, I can't remember the name of the material, but it's like one of those kind of like plastic. It's really cool. Like see-through pieces. And then it's got obviously the green on top and then silver around. On the inside, which I do love, on a shoe which is not a white sock liner, because, you know, if you're wearing black socks or something, it will just get covered and it will look absolutely filthy after just 1 or 2 wears. So the grey was a good touch, and I'm happy because it looks quite good. On the inside, we've got that ASICS Gel Kayano, and this time it doesn't say 12 like 1, 2. It says a bit different, so it's got the XII.I on the inside, and then we've got the white or the cream insole. But yeah, should have been grey, but doesn't really matter. I just really don't like it when it's white on the inside. It's just, you know, it's a bit too meh. One thing I do want to say is I really want to change the laces on this pair, just to a different type of lace. I hope it looks good, otherwise I don't know, but yeah, I hope it looks good because I want to do a lace swap. I'm not really the biggest fan of these laces. They are quite nice, I'll be honest, they are quite nice, but to me they're just a bit, you know, there's something missing. Yeah, but yeah, I really do love this shoe. I really do like all the colors, the materials used, everything. With ASICS or ASICS, you know, the comfort 10/10 is the reason I wear it. Got back pain, got knee pain, got ankle pain, got this pain, got that pain. And these, you know, for daily wear, especially in the summer with that mesh all around, you know, keep your feet cool, don't get too hot. Yeah, and then the comfort, obviously that's the main reason we're doing it. But yeah, they look banging on foot. I'll be honest, I really like this shoe. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. That's how highly I rate it. If I could change certain things, I would probably change the colorway a bit, but you know, that's just me. So if I was designing it, I'll probably design a different colorway. ASICS, if you're watching, you know, give me a shout. I can design a nice colorway. But yeah, only if they did like an ASICS ID, like Nike ID, that would be quite cool. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much more. I will post a separate on foot video. If you wait a few moments, you'll see another on foot video, which is just a continuation of this video. Like all my other review videos, I always post a video that shows the shoe separate, and I always do it on the review. So 2 different ways. So watch that, watch the other video. I'll also post a lace swap hopefully soon. Watch out for that. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype as well, my people. Not enough people hyping. We need loads of hypes. You get 3 a week. I'll post 3 times a week at the moment, so you know where to use them. And yeah, take care, my people.